Hi, this is Chuck from My Virtual Project. We're happy to present the second in our series of tutorials on WordPress. This one is on the dashboard. Enjoy.
Once you've installed WordPress on your web server, you'll need to go to your wp-login.php file to log in to your WordPress installation. Once you've reached the login screen, simply enter in the username and password that you set up during the WordPress installation process and click Login. Once you've logged into your WordPress installation, it should take you here to your WordPress administration dashboard. Here you'll see a link to your site. In this case, my site name is Wordpress101, and you'll also see some various dashboard components. For instance, right now I'm seeing the Right Now panel, which gives me an overview of everything in my WordPress installation, such as the number of posts, pages, categories, and tags, as well as how many comments, which comments are approved, if I have any pending comments, and also if I have anything in the spam folder. It also lets me know the current theme that I'm running, how many widgets, whether or not I have search engines blocked, and the current version of WordPress that I'm running. Directly underneath this, you're going to find something called Recent Comments. This will show you the most recent comments that have been published to your blog. Here you'll be able to get an overview of the comment, either approve or unapprove it, reply to it, edit the comment, mark it as spam, or throw it in the trash. It will also give you an overview of your comments as well. You can see all, only the pending, only the approved, see what's in the spam, or what's in the trash. Also on the dashboard, you'll be able to see things like incoming links, so you can see if other blogs have linked back to you recently. You'll also be able to see plugins. This is just a list of the most popular, the newest, and the recently updated plugins according to the WordPress directory. In the top right corner of the dashboard, by default, you'll see something called Quick Press. Quick Press will allow you to blog directly from this screen if you choose to. So in theory, you would never have to go into the actual post creation process. You could just do it all from here. The difference between Quick Press and actually creating a new post is that you don't get the formatting options that you would inside of the post creation process. Here, all you're able to do is add a title, add content, add tags, and click Publish. That's pretty much all you can do with Quick Press, but it is a great tool for quickly publishing blog posts. Directly underneath Quick Press, you'll see something called Recent Drafts. Recent Drafts allows you to see all of the posts that you've recently saved in draft form. These are posts that have not been published to your blog yet. Some other things that you might see here on the dashboard are WordPress news items. These are updates directly from the WordPress.org site or the WordPress.com blog, which will allow you to see what's going on inside the world of WordPress. If you would like to customize what you see here on the dashboard, simply go up to the top right corner and click Screen Options. When you click Screen Options, it will drop down with this menu here, which allows you to choose which modules you'd like to see. So for instance, if I don't want to see the plugins section, I can turn that off. I can also turn off the WordPress news, and I can also turn off Quick Press, for instance. Once I'm done with that, I simply come back over to Screen Options, click the arrow again. It goes right back up, and I can continue working.
Hi, this is Susie from My Virtual Project. We're glad you joined us this month for our second in a series of WordPress tutorial videos. Please join us again next month when we'll be covering the admin bar. If you have any questions, please do be sure and give us a shout. You can call us or email us, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Have a great day. Thanks.